Hello everyone, welcome to eRide channel. My name is Oleg and today I'll do unboxing of this Puckipuppy Golden Retriever dual motor electric bicycle. Puckipuppy call all the basically names the bicycle after the dog breed. So this one is Golden Retriever. I'm gonna show you how to unbox and assemble this bike, and let's open up and see how the bicycle actually packed. And here's how it will look from the top. And here's how it will look from the side. Looks like everything there. Here's a cover actually for the bike, already included inside, and box with the tools. We're gonna open up and see what is inside. Okay, so we have two boxes and one cover for the bicycle included in the box. So let's see what is inside this box. You got Allen key set, user manual, wrench tool, pedals, charger, which is 2 amp charger, air pump, headlight, one more wrench tool, and a lot of different bolts and nuts, and also some brake pads replacement. Also it includes a lot of zip tie and cable organizer. In this box you're gonna find screwdriver, and this is actually a bottle holder. Okay, that's interesting, nice. Phone holder included. This is a bike lock, cable lock, and over here it comes with the side mirrors. Interesting, very nice. Okay, so it comes with a lot of different accessories. My first step gonna be to install the handlebar. In order to install the handlebar, you would need to turn this stem to the front. You would unscrew these two bolts, okay, from the sides, and turn to the front like this. Next step will be to removing this bracket. So you would need to remove the 4 bolts from the front. Next, you get this handlebar up, just like that, and you would reattach with the bracket you just removed. So the shifter, Shimano shifter, will be on your right hand side, and you just reattach with the same bolts you just removed. Then you would install this display. You would remove these 2 screws from both sides. You would open up from each side like this, and make sure you don't lose these bolts from another side. Okay, just like that. And you would retighten with the same screw you just removed, and nuts on the back. So once you tighten, and here's how it will look. So make sure don't over tighten these screws or bolts for the display, because it's plastic. It shouldn't have any much tension. My next step gonna be attaching this kickstand. So you would attach right over here, okay, with this 2 bolt. It's included. It was on another side of the frame attached. Same thing, the kickstand attached to the frame. So you basically, once you start to remove all the packaging, you're going to discover this kickstand as well. The next step will be attaching the wheel. So you would remove the nut and 1 washer, and you do the same thing on another side. And you turn down with these pieces down over here. You can see it's locking washer, so they need to look down, and you will insert it in the fork. So this will be on the bottom, okay? Then you would make sure this one looking down, lift it up again like this, and then insert the brake first in the pad, between actual pads. So about the locking washer, with this piece down, supposed to lock, and this side will go outside. The another side from another side will go inside the fork. So I'll show you. You just put it right here. So it's going locking, going down, looking down. So it's basically torque arm like this, and right now with a nut on this side. On this side, you just use a washer, just like this, because torque arm, or whatever they call it, going from inside the fork, and you just use this nut to tighten up. And you do first with hands, and then you retighten with a wrench tool. Here's how it will look from the side of the disc. You'll see a little bit of this washer from inside. Second one will be on this side. Actually, the third regular washer will be above it, and the nut. On this side, you'll see only one washer, regular one. Inside, gonna be right here. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look. Next step will be attaching the headlight. So you would remove this bolt with a washer, insert the headlight right here, and also the mud guards on top of it, and retighten with the same bolt you just removed, this one. And here's how it will look. The headlight attached, the front fender is attached right here as well, and reattached with a bolt on this side. You don't need any nut, you just reattach with a bolt and washer. You do the same thing on the both sides. Reconnect the motor. Later on I will secure it with a zip tie right over here. And next you would reattach the rear fenders as well. Rear fenders, you would remove this bolt with a washer, reattach it. Same thing you would do on this side. You would remove it with a washer and reattach it. Same thing like on the front. Now it's time to attach this rack, very solid. You just drop it on top right here, and before you attaching, you would remove both bolts from two sides. Same thing on another side, and basically you would just reattach it with the same bolts you just removed right over here. You would reattach it right here. Also, this wire you would reattach to tail light right here, and then you would basically just plug it in and use the zip tie to secure it along the rack. And the last would be attaching the pedals. So you would find letter R or letter R on this side as well, and reattach to the right side. Left L would go to the left side. It should be pretty simple. Now use this wrench tool to tighten this up. Alright, and you do exactly the same thing on another side. And here's a first look on the Puckipuppy Golden Retriever dual motors, the front 750 watt motor and the rear. So it should provide a lot of power. We're gonna take it for a ride in the next video, test it out, review all the spec. But it is looking very good quality bike build. Really nice seat, looks like very wide. Come with the fenders, nice rack, tail light, very wide handlebar, which is great for riding off-road. Thumb throttle, 7-speed shifter, Puckipuppy display, switching from one motor to dual motors over here, power on and off, headlight, horn should be over here. It comes with the 2 keys right here. It comes with large battery, 20-amp battery, hidden right in the frame. So you can attach the bottle water right here. I guess it's already included. I didn't attach it yet. Still gonna put right PSI in the tires. Also adjust all the bolts and nuts with a torque wrench, which I recommend to have one because you need it to tighten up all these bolts and nuts later on to make sure everything properly tighten, not loose, not too tight as well. And I'm gonna post link in description where you can get one. It's very affordable. So it comes basically with everything you want to have, not only riding off-road but also on the street. It comes with a dual headlight adjustable. Also it comes with a tail light. Okay, and it is off-road tires on this bike. and nice fork, looks like, adjustable as well. And this piece of rubber is just to see how low it will go, this compression. So if you need a preload adjustment, you can use on another side. So this one will just give you mark to show you how deep it will drop. I believe it's like 100mm travel, but so far it looks great. And again, if you want to see the full riding video, please subscribe. If you like this bike, I have special $50 off in description. It's only for limited time, and it's applied to any Puckipuppy e-bike, not necessarily this one. If you're looking to buy a different model, I did review a few of them, so you may want to check in the description for another model as well. I reviewed Labrador and Husky Plus. Check link in the description for the full video, and again for the discount as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.